On December 22, 2025, Coinbase made headlines by announcing its acquisition of the Clearing Company, a fast-growing startup dedicated to building regulated on-chain prediction markets. This strategic move not only expands Coinbase's reach into new financial products, but also demonstrates its commitment to innovation and compliance in the rapidly evolving world of decentralized finance. This acquisition marks Coinbase's 10th major deal of the year, underscoring its rapid transformation from a traditional crypto exchange into a comprehensive financial hub. By consistently acquiring innovative startups, Coinbase is positioning itself as a leader in the broader fintech landscape, not just in crypto. The Clearing Company, under the leadership of Tony Gamail, quickly established itself as a key player in the emerging prediction markets sector. The company's focus on regulatory compliance and operational transparency set it apart, earning trust from both users and institutional partners. Earlier in the year, Coinbase Ventures had already recognized the startup's potential, participating in its $15 million seed round. This early investment paved the way for a deeper partnership and eventual acquisition. By bringing the Clearing Company's talented team and advanced technology in-house, Coinbase gains not only technical expertise but also a competitive edge for its next phase of growth. This move strengthens Coinbase's ability to innovate and adapt in a fast-changing market. The acquisition is a cornerstone of Coinbase's ambitious everything exchange vision, a unified platform where users can seamlessly trade crypto, derivatives, stocks, and now, event-based contracts all in one place. With this strategy, Coinbase aims to reduce its reliance on volatile crypto trading fees and build a more stable, diversified revenue stream. This approach is designed to ensure long-term sustainability and growth, even as market conditions fluctuate. For everyday users, Coinbase's goal is to become the go-to app for all financial activities, whether it's investing in equities, managing crypto assets, or trading on real-world events, all from a single, easy-to-use platform. By integrating the Clearing Company's technology, Coinbase can now accelerate the rollout of in-house prediction markets, driving higher user engagement and increasing daily app usage as it continues to redefine the future of finance. Prediction markets turn forecasting into a tradable asset, letting people buy and sell shares in the outcome of future events. Instead of relying on experts, these markets aggregate the knowledge and analysis of thousands, with real money on the line. Market prices reflect real-time probabilities, often providing surprisingly accurate forecasts. A prediction market poses a clear question, like, will the Fed raise rates? And creates contracts for each outcome. The price of a contract directly signals the market's perceived probability. As new information emerges, prices adjust, creating a living, crowdsourced forecast. Businesses and individuals use these markets to hedge risks or gain insight into trends. By requiring financial commitment, prediction markets cut through noise, offering a purer signal about the future. Let's see how a prediction market works in practice, and why it's become such a powerful tool for anticipating the future. Imagine a market focused on the 2028 U.S. presidential election. The central question, will candidate A win? In this market, traders can buy yes or no contracts, each worth $1 if the prediction turns out to be correct. If yes contracts are trading at 0.55, that means the market collectively estimates a 55% chance of candidate A's victory, based on all available information and opinions. A trader who believes the real odds are higher than 55% can buy yes contracts, hoping to profit if the outcome matches their view. If they're right, they'll earn the difference when the contract pays out at $1. The same logic applies to sports championships, blockbuster movie releases, or any event with a clear, verifiable outcome. Prediction markets can be set up for almost anything people care about. As news breaks, debates, polls, scandals, or surprise announcements, contract prices shift in real time, instantly reflecting the crowd's evolving sentiment and the latest developments. This creates a real-time, data-driven forecast that's often more responsive and adaptive than traditional polls or expert predictions, since it aggregates the wisdom of thousands of participants. Prediction markets can be created for almost any verifiable event, from political elections to movie box office results, sports outcomes, or even scientific breakthroughs. The constant price movement offers a dynamic window into public expectations, showing how opinions shift as new information emerges. For observers, these markets provide a unique, immediate pulse on what's likely to happen next, offering insights that are both timely and remarkably accurate. Prediction markets have exploded in popularity, especially after the 2024 U.S. presidential election drew attention to platforms like Polymarket and Kalshi. Suddenly, millions of people were watching not just the news, but also the odds, as these platforms became a new way to track and even influence public sentiment. Real money stakes and live price updates turned forecasting into an engaging, interactive experience. Instead of just reading predictions, users could put their money where their mouth is, making every event feel personal and high stakes. By late 2025, trading volume on top platforms hit $8 billion, showing massive appeal. This surge reflects not only growing trust in these markets, but also a shift in how people engage with current events and financial opportunities. Prediction markets gamify the urge to forecast, making news analysis participatory. Instead of passively consuming headlines, users become active players, debating outcomes and learning from real-time feedback. This high-engagement product is exactly what platforms like Coinbase need to keep users active beyond crypto booms. It offers a new reason to log in daily, even when crypto prices are flat, and helps build a loyal, invested community. Blockchain technology has made these markets more accessible, transparent, and efficient, with smart contracts reducing risk and cost. Decentralized systems also mean fewer barriers to entry, opening up participation to a global audience. The claim that prediction markets produce superior forecasts has fueled both academic and public interest. Researchers are eager to study their accuracy, while everyday users are drawn by the promise of better insights. By aggregating the knowledge of a diverse crowd, these markets often outperform polls and experts. The wisdom of the crowd, when backed by real incentives, can reveal surprising truths about the future. Their reputation for accuracy has cemented prediction markets as a valuable tool for understanding the world. As more people join in, these platforms are shaping not just how we predict events, but how we participate in them. Coinbase's move into prediction markets is central to its everything exchange strategy, transforming from a crypto broker to a full-spectrum financial super app. The goal? Let users trade, invest, and transact across crypto, stocks, derivatives, and event contracts in one place. Competition is fierce, with platforms like Robinhood and Interactive Brokers expanding into each other's territories. To stay ahead, Coinbase is launching new products, including stock trading and now prediction markets, to deepen user engagement. Prediction markets tie trading to the daily news cycle, driving frequent app usage. This expansion helps Coinbase capture more of each user's financial activity, creating a stickier ecosystem. Each new product increases the platform's value and user retention. The clearing company acquisition gives Coinbase the regulatory and technical foundation to lead in this new market. Prediction markets spark debate. Are they innovative financial tools or just gambling? Supporters say they aggregate information and improve decision-making, letting individuals and institutions hedge real-world risks. Critics argue they blur the line with gambling, raising concerns about addiction and financial risk for unsophisticated users. U.S. regulators, especially the CFTC, have been cautious, often restricting markets on political or sports outcomes. The core issue: do these markets serve a legitimate economic purpose, or are they just betting in disguise? There are also worries about manipulation. Could someone influence an event to profit from their market position? Sensitive topics like elections intensify the debate, with critics fearing prediction markets could undermine public trust. Coinbase is entering a space defined by this tension between innovation and regulation. The company must navigate these challenges to legitimize prediction markets as a financial product. The clearing company deal caps a year of aggressive expansion for Coinbase, with 10 acquisitions in 2025 alone. Each purchase, technology, licenses, talent, fits into the everything exchange vision. The $2.9 billion Deribit acquisition made Coinbase a major player in crypto derivatives, while the $375 million Echo deal expanded its reach in traditional finance. Smaller buys like Roam, Spindle, and Open Markets further strengthened its ecosystem. Acquiring rather than building allows Coinbase to move fast and capture new markets quickly. This speed is crucial in fintech, where first-mover advantage matters. Integrating diverse teams and products is challenging, but Coinbase is betting on scale and expertise to win. The strategy is bold: aiming to make Coinbase the dominant all-in-one platform for the next generation of investors. Coinbase's expansion into prediction markets faces intense regulatory scrutiny, especially in the U.S. Regulators are still deciding if these products are financial instruments or gambling. The CFTC has allowed some event contracts but remains wary of markets on elections or sports. Coinbase is leveraging its existing regulatory infrastructure, offering new products through its registered entity, Coinbase Financial Markets. The clearing company's compliance focus strengthens this approach. Coinbase is starting with markets likely to be approved, like economic data, while building trust with regulators. A regulation-first strategy is essential for a public company under constant scrutiny. Careful, compliant expansion is key to making prediction markets a mainstream financial product. For users, Coinbase's everything exchange blurs the lines between investing, trading, and speculation. Soon, one app will let you check stocks, buy crypto, and trade on real-world events, all in one place. Prediction markets make finance more relatable, letting people trade on what they know: politics, sports, culture. This democratizes access, inviting a new generation to engage with markets. But the gamified nature of prediction markets brings risks: rapid losses and impulsive behavior. Platforms must educate users and provide clear risk warnings. Coinbase's expansion is a glimpse into the future of personal finance, more integrated, accessible, and interactive. As the everything exchange becomes reality, users will need to be more informed and disciplined than ever.